Yeah, so me and Tony just finished watching Extraction. It's a really good movie. If you guys are not into like shooting and blood, then don't watch it. But if you're into it and your man is into it, watch it with him, because Tony had me watching it. It's a really good movie. It's about a dude that is trying to save a little boy that was kidnapped, and it was a lot. But we just finished watching that, and now Tony, you done? He in there with little Tony, watching him play the game. But I don't know if we're getting ready to watch something else. He has the TV right here. That's the movie we just watched, Extraction. And now he has it stuck on Altered Carbon. So I don't know if this is what we're watching next. Now he got me watching all these dangerous movies. I need a cocktail, okay? Because that was a lot. That was a lot to watch. But it was an interesting movie, but it was a lot of shoot 'em up, bang bang, yes. Here is my strawberry mojito. Having a drink on the porch. So it's so good. I got the recipe from Pinterest if you guys want to make you one. So pretty. This is what I'm having tonight. I have some crawfish, corn, sausage, Dungeness crab, egg. Me and little Tony, we having crawfish tonight. Tony had some fried seafood. I'll try to insert a picture because he did take a picture of his food. But y'all, I'm getting ready to smash. Happy Monday. I just finished curling my hair and it turned out okay. I have this is like a short unit. This is like 14-inch, so it's not long at all. I have like a slight headache. I need to fix me something to eat, but I don't know what I want to eat. This is what I'm wearing today. Just some black biker shorts and then this black top that says woman. Can y'all see that? I got this from Boohoo. It's really cute. It's really nice. Yeah, so I have my basket of essential oils. These are all the ones that I have that I put in my diffuser. One of them leaked out, so I'm gonna go ahead and thank you. I'm gonna, I think that was the one that leaked out. This one right here. So remember I was telling you guys about my hands being really dry from washing them so much. I think I was like going overboard. Tony was telling me like, you need to stop. You're not leaving the house. You need to stop washing your hands so much. But I was a little paranoid. But my hands had blistered up really bad. I showed you guys on one of the videos. You probably can see it like right in the middle of my hand there. It got so bad. I was using like cocoa butter, shea butter. And that cocoa butter and shea butter really wasn't helping my skin at all. So Tony picked this up for me. This is the Eucerin Intensive Repairs for very dry and flaky skin. And it worked pretty good. Like, let me show y'all my hand now. So it looks pretty good, but like y'all probably can still see it like up in this area right here. That's where it was like just blistered up, and I've never had that happen before. I was ODing on the hand soap for real. But they do feel better, so I'm happy about that. So, and And I put some of this like all over my body last night just to see how I like it, and it left my skin feeling really soft. I was very moisturized. I was worried about it being a little too oily, but it wasn't that bad. So get you some of this Eucerin. I think they have like 3 or 4 different ones. I like it so far. Now, he did say that this bottle was about $10. I was like, oh my god, that's some expensive lotion, but it's worth it because it works, and it's fragrance free, so I love that. All right, y'all, so I just got an email from Bath and Body Works that they have the mix and match 2 for $20 candle sale going on right now. So it's the 1 wick 7-ounce candles. I've never purchased the 1 wick candle before, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and order 2. So I'm gonna do the champagne toast, and I'm gonna do the comfort candle. I have the aromatherapy comfort lotion. Let me show y'all. It smells so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the candle. So let me find it. I did have an issue with my candles one time when I ordered from them. Here's the lotion. Let me turn y'all around. Okay, so this is the lotion, and I love it. I bought this probably maybe like 2 or 3 months ago, but it smells really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy the candle. So I'm gonna go ahead and order those 2 candles. I think the delivery time is like I'm gonna go ahead and just do standard shipping, which is $5.99. I think the delivery time is maybe like 5 to 7 days. So my total $27.55. So that wasn't bad. Today was a pretty boring day. I wasn't doing much. I feel like all I'm doing these days is eating, cooking, and you know, just the same thing every day. Tony's reading gross homework to me, reading me Who's Smarter, a Cockroach or a Rat? What was the name of it, Tony?
It was Rats versus Cockroach.
Rats versus cockroaches. That sounds so annoying. So disgusting.
Mom, you know it'd be so cool?
What?
If like we had a pet, right, of a Wolverine, but except it wasn't like so aggressive and it was like cool, it was nice. That would be so awesome. Like
no.
Look at its fur. It's like a mini bear. Look at it. Come here. It looks like a sun bear.
Oh my God. Y'all, I have my teacher hat on right now, but I'm on lunch break.
Like, that's like a sun bear, right? A sun bear. And then look at a Wolverine. They're not.
Oh, heck no. Look at that one.
What?
Look at this.
It's But.
Absolutely not.
So looks weird sometimes.
Sometimes. That thing is ugly. So y'all, I did the steak stir fry today. So I just have different peppers. I added broccoli at the end. Y'all can't even see me. I added broccoli at the end. And then I'm gonna make some jasmine rice. Tony, I know you be tripping about jasmine rice, but you're gonna eat it today. Here's the salmon. Y'all know I like to, well, some of y'all probably don't know, but I like to cook my salmon in foil. So I just season it with paprika, garlic powder, lemon pepper, and some parsley. And then I put olive oil on top, put it in the oven, and I cook this one on broil. I'm trying to pick it up for y'all. Nice and juicy. Takes about 12 minutes to cook, I'll say, because you don't want it to dry out. So I'm recording on my phone, but it's perfect. Here. Alright, y'all, here's Tony's food. Got that good old jasmine rice. Everything looks so delicious. Okay, y'all, so I'm recording on my phone because my camera is charging. But a lot of you guys have been asking me if I like my fitness watch that I picked up from Amazon, and I do like the watch. So it's just like any other fitness watch. You have to download the app, and it'll track the exact same thing on your phone. It'll tell you your steps on your phone. It'll tell you your steps. It'll tell you the miles that you've done, the calories that you've burned. It asks you personal information like how much you weigh, your height, and then you can keep track all throughout the week. Like if you want to try to beat your numbers, it'll have all that information on there for you. So I thought this was a really good deal. It was only $35, so that's a really good deal to me, and I like it a lot, like I said. So if you decide to get the watch, it'll come with all the information, all the instructions. It'll tell you the app that you have to download, and then you just go from there. You enter all your information. Like I said, all the instructions will be in the box for you. But I do like the watch. It's pretty cool. So yeah. Yeah, I got an Amazon package. Let me get my scissors. sanitize this bag. Let me get some. Hold on. Here's the package. So y'all know that I like to order hair from Amazon just because it comes in a day or two. Most vendors are selling their hair on Amazon, so that's why I like getting it, because I get like, I can find almost every vendor on Amazon. But this is a vendor called I See Hair, and I saw a girl on YouTube. I just ordered this hair last night and I already got it. But I saw a girl on YouTube that had this in her hair. She was doing a review on it. And it looked real pretty, so I was like, okay, well, let me order some. So this is a 24-inch body wave. Y'all see that? It's real soft. And it's really long. It smells a little weird though, but y'all see that? So I just have to dye it and all that stuff. I'll probably do that this weekend. But it looked pretty. Very bouncy. Let me show it to y'all up close. Y'all know that it's the natural brown right now. And then here's the lace. It's just like the front lace. Has the combs on the side, in the middle, and in the back probably. Yep. It has the adjustable straps. So I can't wait to wear this. 24 inches. And this is the little card. So we'll see. It's real full too. It's nice and full. So we'll see, child. I'll probably play with this weekend. Maybe Friday or something. Because Tony usually goes to the store like on a weekend unless we really need something. So we don't really need anything. We good right now. So this weekend when he goes to the store, I have him get me some more dye, because I used my last box of dye already. So that's pretty. Hopefully it holds a curl. This is my first time buying like a body wave, because I'll usually do like either like a water wave, like the real curly hair, or straight. I never buy this type of hair. So I'm excited. It's real soft. Real soft. So we'll see. New weave alert. Okay. Let me get up my knees bad. Not for real.